ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Deputy Inspector General Jonkishipai Border Security Force ka Meghalaya Frontier Udi Hakib ule atho bakat kum ga jingyo jingtip na gitanat sentian ka sengking atiar hanyotrap National Liberation Council yamantahi kamdan ktem shu ha ki klabar ben jonkari Bangladesh. Kat kum ga jingyo atho jongune uhe officer ki Shipai BSF ha ga jingyo keren bat ka Batisi TV ki sengle no ki badang donye ki kitem ratingan hagri Bangladesh ki day satang ka National Liberation Front of Tripura naga jilla Tripura ka Alpha but ka NSCN.
The input suggests that the IIGs are still looming large in certain areas of Bangladesh, particularly Chittagong hill tracts, and also a few areas, bordering areas in our Meghalaya frontiers, opposite areas. But the Bangladesh BGB and the Bangladesh government always denied it, because if you recollect it earlier, those camps were sponsored by the government or the agencies, but almost 10 years now, the Bangladesh government has taken, especially when the present ruling government of Bangladesh has taken over the government, the church. Since then, they have taken up a lot of pressure to IIGs, and camps have been destroyed. And thereafter, now to our knowledge, there is no organized camps, but individually, some of the IIGs are still, they are going and coming to Bangladesh, to and fro from India to Bangladesh and Bangladesh to India. So this issue was taken up, recently concluded, IIG's level talk. The groups are mainly, if we talk about Chittagong hill tracts, the groups are based like NLFT and the insurgents group from Tripura mainly. In fact, HNLC, as you know it, right now they also don't have any kind of camp in Bangladesh, but very few of them have relatives, supporters across the border. So they go on and off, but very few. Ulfa, as far as Ulfa is concerned, that one group led by Raskwa, he is crossing over to Bangladesh in the area of Garao Hills, on and off, but they also doesn't have that organized camp type. But as I have mentioned already, that they are also have certain relatives, supporters. So they go and they come sometimes. Then the other NSCN and then Ulfa, other people, that the ruling government, the present ruling government, since they have taken over, as I said, their camp have been smashed and operation was taken. Thereafter, they have shifted. They don't have regular camps. So I would say that they are not directly operating from Bangladesh.
You are saying they are moving freely, but what is the base of doing about it?
I don't say freely. They go on and off. The border, if you go, then you will understand it, that such a huge, and then it is covered by forest, vegetations, and some of the areas the fencing have not been erected. It is porous border. In spite of our efforts throughout day and night, still there is a chance, and then people, not only the militants, but smugglers or crossers, they can sneak. That happens. It happens. Indirectly, though, we can't say because they also have that same problem which we are also facing. The problem. The border is the same, so porous, and they also have lesser troops deployment in comparison to the BSF.